Hello, everybody. I am Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And today, with the help of Molly and Mickey, we're going to do an unboxing, our burn-in, and our first cook on ASMOKE's new AS350. The kids are excited, so let's get going. We got a Buc-ee's pork tenderloin that is stuffed with
shrimp, andouille sausage, and pepper jack cheese. And it's wrapped in bacon.
Wrapped in bacon. We're going to put a little Meat Church Holy Voodoo on there. All right, so we have our pork loin off of our new ASMOKE AS350 portable grill and smoker. We're excited about this. I can tell you it looks great. It smells great. We got it to an internal temperature of around 165. It took about an hour and a half to get there, so it didn't take long to cook it all.
They did provide us with a coupon code. So if you go to asmokegrill.com and use the code SeanAmber10, and that's SeannAmber10, you'll save 10% on your order. And remember, that is Sean with 2 N's at the end.
2 N's. Oh, that cut very nicely.
That looks great.
Boy, that does look good. So we did turn, it's got a sear mode on there where you can open up the vent on the metal plates you saw us put in that catch all the drippings. It actually, the one on top, the small one that we put on there slides back and forth so you can open it up and sear. So right there at the end, we did turn it up and sear the bacon on the outside a little bit. So I'm going to cut off a bite and give it a try. Oh my gosh. So I will say this, as far as Buc-ee's goes, they did a great job with this pork loin. I mean, that tastes great with the cheese and everything in it. I mean, it tastes wonderful. The bacon, great. The smoker, great. Has great smoke flavor to it. That's good. I think this sucker is smacking good, baby. Oh.
So one last thing, I do want to remind you, head over to asmokegrill.com, use the code SeanAmber10. You'll save 10% on anything on their website, not just the AS350.
Yeah. Head on over there. And Molly said, Daddy, I'm ready for some pork loin. Let's get it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe and the like button. We appreciate you very much.